So what's your sense of Obidients asking Atiku to take the back seat and let Obi run? Atiku has the right to contest. He's a Nigerian.
He does. He does. And this is what I'll say. As Obidients, we feel that we do respect elder statesmen. And that's what we're calling on His Excellency Atiku Abubakar to do. You understand? We want him to be the elder statesman and support a younger person. Somebody who has connected with the Nigerian people the way Mr. Peter Obi has. It's time for him now to say, you know what? I'm going to support.
Are you saying you people don't support internal democracy? Because, there'll be primaries. There should be primaries in a party to select who would lead the party. So
absolutely.
Our Obidients saying that
absolutely. Those conversations are still being had. So when you see people coming up with it, the same way you said that Wazir Adamawa has the right as a Nigerian citizen, the Obidients to have a right to make a proposal.
Okay,
that
so let me ask
we would appreciate that you decide whatever your political ambition is. It's time for you now to support somebody else.
Take the backseat.
To take the leadership and support.
Take the backseat. How can you imagine
put yourself front and center and decide to support somebody who is younger, somebody who has the good of Nigerians at heart?
Atiku doesn't have.
He does. I believe that he does.
All right.
No, don't try to put words in my mouth.
No, I'm not.
I believe that he does. He's a Nigerian citizen. Like I said, he's an elder statesman.
Okay.
But it will be refreshing to see somebody younger being supported by elder statesmen to come to preside over Nigeria.
All right. And then again, Obi seems to be dilly-dallying. He doesn't seem to be one who makes up his mind. He's still in LP. He's being asked to make up his mind. Atiku has left PDP head on into ADC. Obi is still in AP. He's in ADC. How does that work out for anybody?
He's in coalition talks.
Coalition? Oh, well.
And he's entitled to make his coalition talks, to have those coalition talks. I do not subscribe to him jumping into the foray out on a whim because he's being pressurized to. I understand why he will take his time.
Okay, just quickly, just very quickly. If I say, or somebody out there says, he seems not to be somebody like Atiku who has made a decision out of PDP, I'm into the ADC. If somebody says he doesn't seem to be someone who makes up his mind quickly, leadership needs that. What will you tell the person?
He's somebody that he makes up his mind quickly, but in this particular situation, I don't think anybody should bamboozle him. He will not be bamboozled into making decisions that in the end might not be where he wants us to be.
He wants to eat
now
his
let
cake
me
and have
explain.
it?
Absolutely not. And if he can, then why not? You have people in the system who are doing just that. And
Two wrongs doesn't make it right.
Not subscribe to that.
In-depth analysis.